Dear children, welcome back to your life skill classes. How are you? Must be fine. So let us start. I'm going to repeat this resourcefulness for you. We have already done part 1 of resourcefulness and then after a long gap we are going to do part 2. So मैं आपके साथ दोहरा देती हूँ ये पाठ क्या था. रिसोर्सफुलनेस का मतलब है साधन संपन्नता, able to meet situations, capable of devising ways and means. We should be able to devise ways and means, whatever we are having, to overcome our problems, to make do with what is available to create a solution. अभी मेरे पास कुछ बच्चों ने पूछा जब मैंने हिंदी दिवस के प्रोजेक्ट की बात की, मैम हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, हमारे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं, आपने ये कहा बनाने को, वो मैंने उनको समझाया जो कुछ साधन उपलब्ध हैं उनका प्रयोग कीजिए और उसके साथ में did wonderful job with those resources. That is resourcefulness. You have to create useful or unique solutions in challenging situations. When you find creative solution in tough situations, that is resourcefulness. Today we shall be reading about the never say die spirit of a nation called Israel. इसराइल के बारे में ये घटना आपको वो बता रहे हैं. Israel is not blessed with multiple resources on land or on water. वो कोई ऐसा नहीं है इज़राइल देश जिससे कोई इस तरह की सुविधाएं मिलती हों. हमारा देश आप देखिए, वी आर सो लकी टू हैव वेरियस थिंग्स अवेलेबल इन द नेचर. हमें समय से धूप भी मिलती है, समय से वर्षा मिलती है, ठंड मिलती, everything, and lots of vegetables are available, lots of vegetation is there. So we are so lucky to have this fertile land. Israel is not so lucky. But such is their advancement in technology that today they are world leaders in how to make the maximum use when you have very less. आपके पास कम से कम साधन है और आप बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़ बना सकते हैं. Farmers came here with no knowledge of agriculture in an unimaginable feat. They had turned the Negev desert into a fertile area that now produces flowers for export to Europe, including tulips up to the नीदरलैंड. नीदरलैंड में अगर आप देखिए तो सॉर्ट ऑफ नेशनल क्रॉप है, नेशनल फ्लावर है, एंड नीदरलैंड इज फुल ऑफ ट्यूलिप्स ड्यूरिंग, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स जब उसका सीजन होता है. इट्स अ प्लेजर वॉचिंग देयर ग्राउंड्स, देयर ऑल द प्लेसेस आर फुल ऑफ ट्यूलिप्स. एंड जस्ट इमेजिन एक डेजर्ट की कंट्री उस ट्यूलिप को पैदा करके उसी देश को सेल कर रही है जिसके वो मालिक हैं. They export various kinds of fruits and vegetables to many countries of the world. They have created the drip irrigation technology. There is a typical type of technology. Precise drops of water and nutrients directly go to the plant's roots rather than the surrounding soil. आपके घर में गमले हैं कि या छोटा मोटा बागान है आपका, उसमें आप देखिए जब आप पानी देते हैं पेड़ को तो उसके चारों तरफ पानी फैला होता है और हम कितना पानी ग्राउंड पर भी फैलाकर बर्बाद करते हैं. विद दिस टेक्नोलॉजी दे आर फीडिंग द प्लांट, दे आर गिविंग वाटर टू द प्लांट स्ट्रेट अवे टू द रूट्स. इधर उधर उसका एक ड्रॉप भी वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. This significantly saves both water and land resources while increasing crop quality and quantity. The technology is now used by millions of farmers all over 110 countries worldwide. This is proof that even if nature is not kind, how nature is harsh with them. Just see, with 355 days of scorching sun, तेज धूप, जलाने वाली धूप निकलती है. 365 डेज के साल में 355 डेज उनको केवल धूप मिलती है और वो भी जलाने वाली. एंड बेयरली एन इंच ऑफ रेन इन अ ईयर. और सारे साल भर में 1 इंच वर्षा होती है. विद डिटर्मिनेशन एंड रिसोर्सफुलनेस वी कैन अचीव एनीथिंग दैट वी डिज़ायर एंड चेंज आवर लाइफ फॉर better rather than saying, oh मैं क्या करूँ, I don't have this, I don't have, see he is having so many things and then doing something. No, whatever sources you are having, whatever resources you are having, you must do things with that. That is resourcefulness. Another story is there. Sharpen your efficiency. केवल बैठ कर ये मत कहिए मेरे पास ये होता तो मैं ये करती, वो होता तो वो करती। अपनी एफिशिएंसी को, अपनी योग्यता को बढ़ाइए। Jagan, a woodcutter, worked for a contractor for 5 years but did not get a raise. The contractor hired Mohan and within a year he got a raise. This caused resentment. Resentment माने बहुत क्रोध की भावना जगन के मन में आ गई। मैं 5 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी तनख्वाह नहीं बढ़ाई। ये आदमी अभी आया है और 1 साल के अंदर इसने तनख्वाह बढ़ा दी है। He asked his boss. The boss said, "You are still cutting the same number of trees you were cutting 5 years ago." मैं कैसे तुम्हारी कोई भी चीज़ का मदद कर सकता हूँ, कैसे तुम्हारी तनख्वाह बढ़ा सकता हूँ? तुम तो उतना ही पेड़ काट रहे हो जितना पहले साल में काट रहे थे। I can give you a raise if you cut more trees. Jagan went back, started hitting harder and putting in longer hours, but he still wasn't able to cut more trees. वो गया और खूब जोर से और ताकत लगा के और परिश्रम करके पेड़ काटने लगा, लेकिन फिर उससे उतने ही पेड़ कट रहे हैं एक दिन में जितना वो काट सकता था। He went back to his boss and told him his dilemma. उसने अपने बॉस को जाके अपनी इस परेशानी का वर्णन किया। जगन asked मोहन how he managed to cut more trees. तब फिर जगन ने जाके मोहन से पूछा तुम कैसे इतने पेड़ काट लेते हो? मोहन answered, after every tree I cut, I take a break for 2 minutes and sharpen my axe. मैं अपनी कुल्हाड़ी को घिस कर तेज करता हूँ। सी लगातार हिट करने से उसकी जो कुल्हाड़ी है उसकी शार्पनेस चली जाती है। The axe also becomes tired. You are also in working, you are also become tired. Take some rest, think again and start again. When was the last time you sharpened your axe? तुम बताओ तुमने अपनी कुल्हाड़ी की कब तेजी बढ़ाई थी, तुमने इसको कब शार्पन किया है? उसे तो याद ही नहीं, तो वो ब्लंट हो गई, बेकार हो गई। सी इफ वी गो ऑन डूइंग वर्क अगेन एंड अगेन विदाउट थिंकिंग ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स, without sharpening our axe, without sharpening our abilities, we cannot succeed, we cannot do more things. So these things, for that you need resourcefulness. For that you need resourcefulness. You have to always think about new things, new ways to sharpen your axe, to improve upon your abilities. Now, timeline. They were amazingly resourceful. Field carts were game changers in agriculture and commerce by transporting goods to and from market and allowing people to travel great distances. कब हुआ है देखिए 3500 BCE, इतने साल पुराने, 3000, आज की सभ्यता से भी 3000 3500 साल पहले जिस आदि मानव ने, जिस केवमैन ने व्हील को ढूंढा होगा, ये रिसोर्सफुलनेस थी। He must have rolled something or he must have seen something rolling and going faster than him. Then he must have got the idea anything could have happened. But with his resourcefulness, he created a wonderful thing, wheel. With this wheel, we save our time, we save our energy, and we can do more work. Next, देखिए printing press. This was invented in 1440. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press that led to the rapid means quick, and widespread dissemination of knowledge for the first time in history. केवल उसका मल्टीपल नहीं है। अभी तक क्या हो रहा था, एक आदमी एक पेज लिख रहा है, बस वही पढ़ सकता है या 5-7 जो से सुन रहे हैं। पर जैसे ही प्रिंटिंग हुआ उसका, मल्टीपल शीट्स वर अवेलेबल, मल्टीपल पीपल वर involved, they could reach out these things and they could learn more knowledge. By 1500, 20 million volumes had been printed in Europe. Next, देखिए steam engine. See, now we are seeing electrical engines. Electric engines are there and very fast engines are there. Many type of technologies are being introduced, but everything started with an ordinary steam engine. Scottish engineer James Watt patented a steam engine that produced continuous rotary motion, triggering the industrial revolution. Factories could be located near a source of water power. वहाँ से वो पावर लेते थे और उन मशीनों को चला लेते थे, रोटेट करते थे। उस इंजन से उन्हें इतनी ताकत मिली, स्पीड मिली और उसी से हमें ये रेल का इजाद मिला है। नेक्स्ट देखिए, द टेलीफोन 1876. Can you imagine your life without mobile now? And from where did it come? It came from that small instrument, telephone. Alexander Graham Bell created the first telephone. He drew his inspiration from teaching the deaf and his hearing impaired mom. Uski maa sun nahi sakti thi. And from where did we get this word hello? Whenever we call, we start talking to somebody over phone or mobile, the first word which we utter is hello. Hello was the name of Alexander Graham Bell's wife. As soon as he created this thing, as soon as he could communicate, the first word he used was hello. He was calling his wife, but this word has become a standard calling on phones and mobiles. Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming noticed that his sample contaminated with a mold. That antibiotic mold was the fungus penicillin used to fight a huge number of bacteria infections, saving millions of lives. इससे पहले पेनिसिलिन से पहले लोग बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में मर रहे थे. एपिडेमिक, महामारी, आजकल आप जो देख रहे हैं, दिस इज एपिडेमिक, time of epidemic, when number of people are getting affected and number of people are dying. इसको रोकने के लिए पेनिसिलिन का जब इजाद हुआ, with this type of antibiotic he could save many people's lives. Then internet. Team of computer scientists working for the US Defense Department built a communication network called ARPANET to connect the computers. This was the first model of internet. Inter word came later on. First of all, they were just joining each and every computer together to communicate with each other. These things were very much needed because during that time World War was going on, communication was becoming very difficult. Just to overcome those obstacles, they had to find out some ways and means to communicate very fast, very quick. With that intention only, they started making these things, and then today we are having a wonderful thing which is called internet. Anything and every type of knowledge is available on your fingertips, but we must use it properly. We must take care that we don't go for wrong things from internet. So what was that? All these incidents are telling us about resourcefulness. Resourcefulness is a very big quality. It is the innate ability to overcome challenges and obstacles and keep moving forward. We should not stand up at one place and think, oh, kya karenge, kya karenge. We should always think something different, something new, and move forward. Only that will make us successful. I hope you must have understood this lesson. We shall be meeting after this video again.